Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ChargePoint Home Smart Charger settings with ChargePoint, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify ChargePoint Home Smart Charger settings, begin by ensuring your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi. Open the ChargePoint app on your device. Log into your ChargePoint account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Home section of the app. Select your ChargePoint Home Charger from the list of connected devices. Tap on the settings icon located at the top right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, review your charging preferences. Check the scheduled charging option to confirm it aligns with your needs. Verify the energy rates set in the app. Ensure your Wi-Fi connection is connected and stable. If necessary, adjust any notifications or reminders related to charging. Next, review the setup for energy usage reporting. Check if the location services for the app are enabled for optimal performance. After making any adjustments, confirm that the updates are properly saved. To test your settings, start a charging session remotely through the app. Monitor the app to ensure that your charger is functioning as intended. If any issues arise, consult the troubleshooting section within the app. Finally, consider reviewing the Help Center for additional tips and resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.